I woke up late, come in late, just had a cup of coffee, and now I'm learning how to deal with customers when I start doing jobs for everybody. And I'm watching this guy, he cracks me up so much. If you have not seen DIY Auto School, go on YouTube and type it in, it's hilarious. Yeah.
Do owners listen to you when you tell them how to do it? Do they? No. You get these owners right here that know everything and anything, and they tell you how to do it. I told this guy, Mr. Majestic, do not sandblast the inside of the hood or the trunk. Do not do it. But I want it done. I want it done. It's my car. I will get it done. Okay, fine. Do it. This hood is a single sheet metal hood. Doesn't have no...
Just trying to learn how to deal with customers. Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Morning guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video on my Sierra Cosworth. In today's video we're going to tackle the inside. We're going to get it all cleaned up. I need to shampoo all the carpets, clean the dash, the plastics, the C-pillar trims, the back seats, finish the trims over there that I didn't do, and I would probably say I probably will. I want to clean the roof lining. I would say 80% of the roof lining is fine. We've got 20% of sagging and crap to deal with, excuse my French, but I want to clean it first, let it dry, and then I'm going to have a go at peeling it off and re-gluing it and see if I can make this any better than it is. If I can't do anything with this, then I'm going to buy another one. I found one, it's a few £100, which ain't a problem, but this really isn't that bad. I do want to have a go first. Once I've cleaned it and let it dry, and then have a go another day at repairing the sagging. If I can't make a good job of it, then I'll replace it. It's not an issue, but I've got a feeling I can do something with it and make it good again. So we will have a look at that. That's not a problem. For you those that didn't see the other video, seats and all that are all done now and the dashboard's been repaired. They've come out lovely. Yeah, it's really time to start sorting all this out. It's one of the last pieces of the puzzle. Just put a screw back in a dash and just niggly bits really. And I'm looking for some other door cards to replace the manky ones on here. So once that's done, the outside's pretty much done. Power cut, that's great. See you in a sec. We're doing great, we've got a power cut. Good job I got some good detailing lights in here and my little torch. Yeah, as I was saying, we're pretty close. The outside of the car is pretty mint. I've got to do the back bumper, and when that's done, the outside's sweet. The inside's nearly done, that's going to be sweet. All the mechanical side of it's going to be sweet. So we're not a million miles away from that being a blooming good Sierra Cosworth, to be fair. The underneath's mint, there's no rust, no rot, nothing to sort of muck around with. You could go a step beyond and carry on going and do new suspension. Hey, we've got power again now. Suspension, you could go, well, you could go the whole hog if you really wanted to. You could try and go down a concourse road, but that's not what I want to do. The car's never been about that. It is one that needed love, wanted saving, a hell of a lot less love than some of the ones that are on eBay right now, to be fair. I mean, I've looked at a couple on there yesterday. Oh, power's gone again. What that means is they're digging up the road again, which is a nightmare. Great, I just put everything away. Anyway, that's enough waffling. I'll come back to you when we've got a bit of power. You can't see nothing. There we go. There we go. Right, see you in a bit. Right, hour or so later, the power seems to be on again now, so we'll stay with it. Yeah, like I was saying, 18 grand on eBay gets you one that needs loads and loads of work. So this is going to end up being a really good car someone could just use, you know. I didn't want to build a concourse car. You could take it up, put it on a spit, do the underneath, new suspension, new arms, new everything. No, I don't want a museum piece. I want a car that's good, usable condition. That's what I was aiming for, and that's what it will be. So that's enough. What's the blooming word? There's enough waffling anyway, but yeah, that's enough trying to make a video. Let's get a video made. That's what I'm trying to do. One of them days today, I'm telling you. Right, I'm going to go and get me, well, first of all, I'm going to clean all the stuff out of this and get me wet vac, get me chemicals and all my bits that I need to make a start on this, providing the power holds out. So, yeah, I'll see you in a bit.
You say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time. And now you're out of time. Now you're out of time. Never measure up, you'll never be enough. People say tough love, you should just suck it up. And you think back to a time that you were lost. Thoughts disorganized, can't seem to dry your eyes, and chaos is collapsing from your mind. You say that you're fine, but now you're out of time. Out of time. You're out of time. You're out of time.
Right, there we go, guys. I cleaned up all of the lighting things, the sun visors, even the door handles came up pretty good. The other trim, there's a bit of yellow in that I can't quite get out on that one, but even the sunroof trim cleaned up really, oh, for God's sake. Right, that's another hour gone. I've had enough. I'm going home. Keep having power cuts. I'm not even going to risk trying to hoover and shampoo in now. It's just one of them days, I'm afraid. We've got all the trim pieces clean. The roof line is not clean, and obviously the carpets and inside the car is not clean. Oh, it's doing my nutting. Having torches out all on the side and everything, waiting for the blooming power to go back off again. Yeah, I've had enough. That's it for today. Hopefully they'll fix the problem. They're out on the road, the power networks people. So yeah, I'm going home. I'm done. Another great video from me. As always, massive thanks for watching, and we'll see you when we've got some power, eh? God's sake. Anyway, stay safe and be lucky.